If you're over 40 and still dealing with breakouts, here's why that $200 dermatologist cream isn't working, and why this $5 bottle from your grocery store might be the answer you've been searching for. I'm about to share something that completely changed how I approach adult acne, and it goes against everything the beauty industry tells us. Hi there. As former international elite circus performers now in our 50s, my husband and I know what it means to push our bodies to the limit. We've learned that aging brings unique challenges, including the frustrating reality of adult acne that seems to come out of nowhere. Here's a statistic that might shock you. 25% of women and 12% of men over 40 experience adult acne. That's right, 1 in 4 women our age are dealing with breakouts. But here's what's really frustrating. Most acne treatments are designed for teenagers, not for mature skin going through hormonal changes. When we hit our 40s and beyond, our skin changes dramatically. Perimenopause, andropause, stress, and declining collagen production create a perfect storm. The acne we get isn't the same as teenage acne. It's deeper, more inflamed, and often appears along the jawline and chin. Yet we're still reaching for the same harsh treatments that strip our already aging skin. I learned this the hard way. After years of using expensive retinoids and salicylic acid treatments, my skin was a mess, dry, irritated, and still breaking out. That's when I discovered something fascinating about tea tree oil that changed everything. Most people think tea tree oil is just another acne treatment, but recent research shows it works completely differently on mature skin. A study published in the International Journal of Antimicrobial Agents found that tea tree oil's active compound, terpenen 4-ol, not only kills acne bacteria, but also reduces inflammation without the harsh drying effects of traditional treatments. Here's the key difference. While benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid work by essentially scorching everything in their path, tea tree oil is selective. It targets the bad bacteria while preserving your skin's natural protective barrier, something that becomes crucial as we age. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to like and subscribe for more holistic wellness tips and on how to live your best life after 40. Now here's where most people go wrong. They use tea tree oil like they're 16 years old. Adult skin needs a completely different approach. Here's the protocol that actually works. Step 1. The spot treatment method. Never use tea tree oil undiluted on mature skin. Create a 5% dilution by mixing 1 drop of 100% pure tea tree oil with 19 drops of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is perfect because it mimics our skin's natural sebum and won't clog pores. Apply this directly to active breakouts before bed. Step 2. The preventive toner. This is my secret weapon. Mix 3 drops of tea tree oil with 2 ounces of witch hazel and 1 ounce of rose water. The witch hazel provides gentle astringent properties, while rose water adds hydration, something our mature skin desperately needs. Use this 3 times per week after cleansing. Step 3. The weekly restoration mask. Once a week, mix 2 drops of tea tree oil with 1 tablespoon of raw honey and 1 tablespoon of finely ground oatmeal. The honey provides antibacterial benefits and hydration, while oatmeal gently exfoliates without irritation. Leave on for 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Step 4. The scalp treatment. Here's something most people don't know. Hormonal changes can cause scalp acne and irritation. Add 5 drops of tea tree oil to your regular shampoo once a week. This helps balance scalp bacteria and can reduce those painful bumps along the hairline. What not to do. Critical mistakes. Now, let me save you from the mistakes I see people making every day. Mistake number 1. Using undiluted tea tree oil. This will irritate mature skin and can cause contact dermatitis. Always dilute. Mistake number 2. Mixing with retinoids initially. If you're using prescription retinoids, introduce tea tree oil slowly, and never on the same night until your skin adjusts. Mistake number 3. Skipping the patch test. Even though tea tree oil is natural, mature skin can be more sensitive. Test on your inner wrist 24 hours before facial use. Mistake number 4, expecting overnight miracles. Adult acne takes longer to heal than teenage acne because our cell turnover is slower. Be patient and consistent. Real results, timeline, and science. Here's what you can realistically expect when using this protocol. Week 1-2. You'll notice reduced inflammation and redness. The tea tree oil's anti-inflammatory properties work quickly to calm irritated skin. Week 3-4. Fewer new breakouts appear. This is when the antibacterial effects really kick in. disrupting the acne cycle. Month 2 and beyond. Clearer, more balanced skin. Your skin's natural barrier function improves, leading to better overall skin health. A clinical study involving 60 participants with mild to moderate acne found that 5% tea tree oil gel was as effective as 5% benzoyl peroxide, but with significantly fewer side effects. No dryness, peeling, or irritation. For those of us over 40, this gentler approach is exactly what our skin needs. Let me share what happened when I finally got this right. After struggling with adult acne for 3 years, trying everything from expensive facials to prescription medications, I was frustrated and embarrassed. At 52, I felt like I should have figured this out by now. Within 6 weeks of starting this tea tree oil protocol, my skin transformed. Not only did the active breakouts heal, but my skin looked healthier overall. The constant redness faded, and for the first time in years, I felt confident going makeup-free. My esthetician even commented on how much my skin texture had improved. The best part? This entire routine costs less than $20 and lasts for months. Compare that to the hundreds I was spending on products that weren't working. Here's the beautiful thing about natural solutions. They often provide unexpected benefits. Since incorporating tea tree oil into my routine, I've noticed reduced razor burn when I add a drop to my shaving cream, clearer skin on my chest and back, less irritation from environmental stressors, an overall improvement in skin confidence. This aligns perfectly with our holistic approach to wellness after 40. Instead of fighting our bodies with harsh chemicals, we're working with our skin's natural healing processes. If you're ready to try this natural approach to adult acne, drop this leaf in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experience with tea tree oil. Have you tried it before? What's been your biggest struggle with adult acne? Don't forget to subscribe for more natural wellness solutions specifically designed for those of us over 40. We're here to help you thrive in this chapter of life, not just survive it. Check the description section where I'll share links to the exact products I recommend, all budget-friendly and easily accessible. Remember, your skin's wisdom deserves respect, not harsh treatment. Until next time, keep embracing the natural path to wellness.